EZOffice Inventory is one of the dynamic asset and maintenance management solutions that provides reliable web conferencing and video conferencing solutions. It also offers cloud and on-premise software with powerful features such as HD video audio chat, IM, screen sharing, record, and whiteboard, etc. It is featuring barcode asset tracking, inventory control, IT asset tracking, equipment maintenance, fixed asset tracking, user management, reports and notifications, and maintenance management. Why choose EZOffice Inventory? It increases visibility and accountability with scan-based audits, and track location and custody of your IT and non-IT assets. It is a web-based software also supported in Windows, Android and iOS. Explore detailed product overview, and compare with other leading solutions with free trial availability for all, at anytechtrial.com.